Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Dark Anime Robin. In this video, I'll be unboxing and reviewing the SH Figuarts Orange Piccolo from the Dragon Ball superhero anime movie, and this set is manufactured by Bandai Tamashii Nation. Now let's start by taking the set off from the transport box. Now let's check out what details we can see from the case before taking out the figure. So, as with all SH Figuarts, we can see the main figure itself, so the transparency. And here we have at least 3 alternate heads for the figure for different facial expression, different pair of interchangeable hands. And the pictures on the back shows us, just like OSH Figuart, this figure will have super modeling feature, and that is like many articulation points, allowing the figure to do many kinds of poses. And more importantly, apparently there's additional parts that's like designed for to work with the SH Figuart Ultimate Gohan superhero set. And now let's get this figure out of the case. So again, we have the orange Piccolo himself with the different alternate head parts, alternate 2 pair of alternate hands, and these are like the Kamehameha wave effect parts for the all superhero Gohan SH Figuarts. And now let's open the set. And whenever you're opening this plastic cover for SH Figuart to remove the figure and its accessory from the case, you want to do it carefully and gently, because if you just pull it off too quickly and hard, you could send all the small pieces inside flying, and then it'll be a very troublesome to get all those pieces back. here we have the orange Piccolo figure here, and there's some plastic filling here, and usually having these means the figure is brand new when you first opened it. And nice, it can stand without me having to do anything at all, so this figure has very good balance. Let's look at the case here. On this side, it's talking about those additional optional parts for the SH Figuarts Ultimate Gohan superhero. Yeah, so there's the alternate interchangeable hand parts here, and the rest, these blue pieces, what assembled to be like the charging Kamehameha with effect parts for the Gohan SH Figuarts. Let's see this other side, the case. So these are the printed instructions for the alternate heads and the alternate hands for orange Piccolo. And apparently you can also go on the Tamashii website to check it out. And let's look at the figure again. So here, so even without doing anything with the figure, you can see how well it's modeled after the orange Piccolo from the anime movie, and that the figure is really strong looking and imposing. So it's got muscle like all over its body, so it's a very powerful display here. And now let's check out this figure's articulation. So here we have the head. You can look down and not up by the head itself, but the torso can move down, so, and also bend backwards a bit. So if you want, just bend it a bit up so you can make the figure appear as it's looking up, and you can look left and right. The arm can turn. The shoulder can move forward a bit. And also very slightly backwards. And the arm can raise laterally. fists can turn. And its torso can bend forward a bit, and as shown earlier, you can slightly bend backwards. The legs can move up only 90 degree apparently, but you can like move back the other leg a bit, so you can make a kicking pose. And the side can rotate inward, outward. This helps with making the stance pose. We have good knee joints here. Can turn around its waist. The legs can also spread out. Again, this helps with making stance pose. Finally, it's the feet. Also got very good articulation. So the figure can balance with any form of stance its legs poses. And the feet, like all SH figure art, can bend, so you'll be able to pose as if it's standing on its toe. And as you saw from the instruction earlier, in order to put on different hand and head parts, you just have to literally remove the hands and the head to put on the alternate parts on. So let me show everyone here. So nice, we can just remove the head and then put a different head on. And same thing with hands, you just remove the default hands, which are fists, and then just put the alternate hands on. And now let's start exploring how the figure looks with different facial expressions through the alternate heads. The default head we have here is Piccolo. Here look with a very stern, almost emotionless expression. And now I'm gonna attach the first alternate head. So here we have the first alternate head here. And in this head we have Piccolo with very aggressive eyes and his teeth showing clench, so it's like this is like getting ready for fight and I'm gonna kill you, that kind of look. And with this look, it's a lot good to put on some kind of powering up kind of stance or pose. also good if you use this head to do some kind of actual attacking pose, like a punch. Next head here we have is again with his eyes showing aggression and his mouth is wide open, showing his teeth and sharp fangs there. So this is like a war cry face. With this, it's also nice to put on a kind of getting ready for battle pose, or one that he's about to send out attack. Like this. This last head, we have orange Piccolo smiling here and looking slightly to his right. With this expression, it might be nice to put on some kind of superhero confident pose. You can also adjust the angle of the pose a bit since it's slightly looking to the right. Turn the waist. You can also have him lift up his fist to show some kind of confident look with that smile. By adjusting the arms a bit, and this with that expression, it's like he's ready and goading the enemy into fighting, making the first move. And now that we already tried out the heads, let's see how the figure can look with the alternate hands. And here we have him making a pose that's like walking forward with heavy footsteps. With one hand open. Like holds on the back of the case here. And here we have him with both hands up, like doing a battle stance as like he's about to performing some kind of attack against the enemy. And you can also use the open hand to make like the energy or chi blast attack pose. Like he's about to fire blast from his hand. And with these two hands, you can also make a kind of the chi blast pose with both hands. While the alternate hands can help make various kind of poses, because this figure's muscular appearance, it's probably still best to put on a kind of fighting pose with the clenched fists. Now let's check out the additional effect parts in this set for Ultimate Gohan's superhero SH Figuarts. Here we have the main figure from the SH Figuart Ultimate Gohan superhero, and here we have the additional effect parts for this figure from the SH Figuart Orange Piccolo set. So in order to make these parts work, we have to attach each of these energy ray parts onto this bowl here, according to how each pattern of the bowl, the opening on the bowl looks. So in this case, let's see here, we have to match the opening. It can get slightly complicated. Yeah, and then do it like that for the rest of the other ray parts there. And as for the hands, it's similar in the way here, each of these hand has like a hinge on, so we just have to attach them on the perfect circle opening here. Actually, you just have to use only one of this hand, and then you use another hand part from Ultimate Gohan that can help hold the bowl, and then just put the parts on, and then attach the hand onto Gohan, and then we'll have the complete use of this parts here. Here we go, we have Ultimate Gohan charging up with his energy or Chi Blast attack, like Kamehameha wave. That's all the basic feature for this set, and like all SH Figuarts, this figure is very well sculpted after the character it's based on. So if you are a fan who likes Orange Piccolo, you should definitely consider adding this set into your collection. And this figure's head is actually a lot easier to remove and attach to different ones, so it's easier to change its facial expression. Unlike most SH Figuarts, whose head may be a little tight and hard to change, or where like you have to change the faces by taking out a front hair piece and to put a different face on. This one skips that complication, and again makes it a lot easier to change its facial expression, so it's very easy to work with, and it's much clear, imposing look. It's also make it very appealing for collection. And unlike most SH Figuarts, whose balance may be harder to work with because they're slim figure, so once if you want to change from the straight up pose to like different battle stance where legs have to crunch and make differently, this figure's larger frame ironically makes it easier to study its balance in several kind of different poses, so it's even better SH Figuart than most for posability. So while this set will make a good collection to any fan who loves Dragon Ball, and again specifically Piccolo or this form orange Piccolo, and if you just love to have a cool looking figure as a part of your collection, I would highly recommend you consider this one for its imposing look, and it makes a very strong appearance to put on all kinds of display and poses. This marks the end of my review for this set. Thanks everyone for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please click like and subscribe to my channel, and please check out other videos from my channel. If you have any question, please post them in the comment section. I will answer with the best of my knowledge and ability.